What is the point of order?
Sorry, Speaker, I was switching on the mic. No, I wanted, Speaker, respectfully to address this honourable member with his rightful title as a matriculant, seeing that there are confusions of titles today. This is a judge. Now you have a matriculant.
Honourable members. Order.
I think that the grannies and the pensioners and the Stokvels who had their money stolen from them at VBS don't sleep any better knowing that the people who stole from them have doctorates and master's degrees. You see, time and time again, they've used populist politics and racial rhetoric to break down any attempt at building a consensus over the growth-enhancing reforms that our economy so desperately needs.